Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add background. So if you want to add background, you can use the backdrop tools. Click on the library browser and then you can click on the backdrop. So here you can choose, like I will use this blue sky, and you can click on the drawing area to insert the background. Okay, well, thanks again, another, like I will use this glass sunset, click again to insert. Or if you want to add the background with the image, you can use the import tools. Click on the file, click import, and then you can click import backdrop. You can search for your image, like I will use this image, click open, and then click OK. It will be shown in the user catalog, and you can click to insert change into the backdrop. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to add background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.